Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Don't let people pull you into their storm. Pull them into your peace. Action. Master your inner peace so well till others are drawn to you. Serve them by teaching them how you did it. The animal spirit today? Squirrel. Always prepared. You are the expert of hard work and hard play. Your cheerful and fun disposition is a blessing to everyone. Don't let life's distractions take you off course. Make a plan for the future, and life will give you all you need. Released. When you are upset or frustrated, holding onto the negative emotion lowers your vibration. To release it, journal about your feelings, talk to a friend, or confront the problem. After you release the emotion, your vibration will be elevated. If you keep going back to the problem in your mind, you will keep lowering your vibration. Focus on what is going right instead. Remember, a release of emotion is not a low vibration. It is just a different vibration. It takes courage to pursue your dreams. It takes courage to be who you are, to do what feels right. It takes courage to face the fears that have the power to hold you back. Be brave, and the world will be yours. What do you need? No, really. Life moves fast, and most of us never have a chance to stop and think about what we really need from our relationships and our life, let alone express that to the people in our lives. Take a minute today to think about what it is you need from the people around you. Do they know this? Can you share it with them? Alrighty. What are today's quotes? Hurting them back will not heal your pain. People who avoid their own feelings will probably avoid yours too. Make a list of all the amazing good things that happened yesterday. Now see if you can double that number today. Allow life to delight you. Yes, yes. Healthy relationships is there clarity, consistency, compassion, commitment, communication. The first person you need to be loyal to is yourself. Couldn't find a parking spot at my job today, so I left. Looks like they have enough people for today. That one's awesome. Normalize not building your identity around a career. And the last one today, everything you do has a ripple effect. What you give keeps giving. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.